What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Another video. Well, I hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's staying safe. And with that said, today I'm gonna be doing some more mods on the BMW e90. I'm gonna fix the bumper lip. I had done the car before, but I hit something, got damaged, so I'm gonna put some fiberglass on it. I'm gonna fix it up and then I'm gonna put it back on the car. I also have some other stuff to do. I have the M3 mirrors to put on. I have the license plate lights LED. I have the tow hook bar in the rear bumper, and also I need to wrap the roof. So that's all the mods that I have to do by Saturday. Oh, and the rims, I'm gonna put on the rims. I'm gonna paint them over and then put them back on the car. So I'm trying to do all of that by Saturday. So I'm gonna get started with the bumper now. So I'm gonna head in the shop. Oh, I have my Dunkin' Donuts coffee, so yeah, I should be good today. With that said, I'm gonna head in the shop and start working on the bumper lip. So as you can see, I'm about to put on the second coat of primer, and unfortunately I didn't get the footage of me doing the fiberglass work and the bodywork on the bumper lip because the GoPro wasn't recording again. This happens a lot, but you know, not every day I'm gonna show you step-by-step clips. I'm just gonna do time-lapse and, you know, jump from different scenes, just show you guys a general idea of what I'm doing or what I do. So yeah, that's it for this. I'm gonna show you another clip of me doing the painting. And now this is after I put on probably like 4 coats of a base up. Yeah, 4 coats of base up. So just let it sit for a little bit and then just gonna put on the clear coat. Give it like two coats of clear and let it dry. I'm gonna give it like a day to dry, and then I'm gonna jump into the next clip of me installing it. So it's gonna be the other day. Okay, so the lip is now dry, and I'm gonna attempt to do the installation. But first, safety first. I'm gonna put the car in these safety stands, you know, because I'm gonna be underneath the car while I'm screwing this up. The car is coming along pretty well. I like the look. I hope you guys like it too. Oh, also, if you guys are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed as yet, please go and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell for the notification post. Also, like the video, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Now I'm gonna count to 3 and the lip is gonna be on. 1, 2, 3. And just like that, the lip is on. Car is looking beautiful. You know, I mean, look at that lip. That gloss, nice and pretty. Wash it up.
Oh, yeah, careful.
Don't wash that. And the problem is that I will fix them. I'm not sure I can fix it up. But the camera though. That camera drop.
But this when you are going to do Papa Dino and go
Yeah, take time with this.
Reverse, that's when you reverse can go touch. You have to park out and go when you go to this. You can't work, man. Yo, go lad. Last night, man.
Masha, and even want it that
you want?
yeah.
If you want, man, that's you want it.
Yeah, so a tree and tape this one. The regular one don't have them.
Okay.
The one there.
But it want might be better fit. Alright, do it right.
So I'm sitting on board. So that go on. Put it back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the back.
Cheap one, you know, I said, man. More money, good on money for the bike.
That's it, man. Can't come up back here. You have to use it to pray, but that's figure out your back. Yeah. Trim that, man. Strong.
Yo, take that stuff down here. You listen to me. Now, all those Lord Clark, man. I'm gonna go ahead of you.
I'm not full. I'm they are full. Fuck up though, man. Tearing at the middle there, so. Fuck up. You know, right, see when you still feel alright.
Should I say fucking little boxy boy to help you? You know me a chat?
Yeah.
Who?
Yeah, but I using something, man. I choose slide for
Easy thing, man. That's like fucked up.
No, man, you're like a little boxy boy that like piece of, yeah. Little boxy boy.
I first time I don't know, but next time it's gonna be better.
You ever up the whole car right now?
Huh?
You ever up the whole car right now?
Then slide with a cuss.
Yeah, what the fuck?
What the fuck, man?
I'll put a beat on this thing. I'll catch the roof and everything. Walk the sauce before I eat yard and you know. Shit. Exactly why that views on them thing there.
Joe win.
Bro, man, white your fuck. Yeah, and white.
Yes, I think I did for him. Like chalk, the money. I'll kill all them there, dog.
Yeah, so don't know. The machine already up, you see me? Yeah.
I hear you talk, y'all talk.
I cut off it. Oh, I still have it on my thing, man. Yeah.
Cut up here and put the boy in Snapchat.
Custom weight, man, is it? Yeah.
You know why I put that in the arms in there?
What this computer?
I feel like some people and some of them.
Don't let ever clean it good, man.
Yeah, pull out the skin out. Nervous? Squeeze your lips.
You look clean, bunny, up for. I flick it down. Ah. Can't want to keep it going.
Anything you say? No Corona. And maybe if we drink some Corona, we're going to have it in our blood. So we're not going to get the actual virus. Bushy, what the woman say the ginger have?
See that? Go! Come on.
War.
Light on up. Light on up. Go on again. Go on again. Go on again. Go. Go. Ready.